Madness clouds your vision, yet I'm not completely blind. I suffer from a condition, but I'm not out of my mind. I feel a strange jacket pressed against my chest, choking up my throat, I can't find no rest. Oh no, why can't you just leave me alone? I'm not a lunatic, it's all I can know.